Hey, Steve Throndson here. I want to give you a quick market update. There's been a lot of headlines. There's always a lot of headlines. Let's not kid ourselves, but they've been particularly spooky the last little bit. There's a lot of recession talk. There's a lot of headlines like prices plummet, market crashes, things like that. I want to come and tell you what's true and what's not, and offer some perspective. So yes, the market has changed. It is not quite what it was this spring. But that being said, year over year, and historically speaking, we're still in a really, really good market. We're in a strong seller's market. Certain segments of the market are moving into balanced territory, which is good. We're ready for that. It's been too busy for a while here. This presents some opportunities and challenges. So I want to talk to you really quick about some of those and how you might maximize your opportunity and not miss out on something that might really, really change your financial future. So the first one I want to talk about is if you're just selling. Maybe it's an investment property that you've been waiting to shake off for a while. Maybe it's that condo that has been a thorn in your side for a number of years. Now might be your time. We've seen what I call price compression. So what that means to me is when affordability is challenged, people start moving down in terms of price. So what that means is if you were buying an $800,000 house, you might be looking for a $600,000 house. If you were looking for a small detached house, maybe now you're looking for a half duplex. If you were gonna buy a half duplex, you might be buying a townhouse, and so on and so forth. So that is happening, which is really strengthening that bottom end of the market. When I say bottom end in Calgary, for now, it looks like 500,000 or 600,000, and we've had listings in that space that have really, really done well. It's still a very, very strong seller's market. So if you're looking to sell anything in that space, you're gonna be in a good spot. The opportunity for many, let me back up. The lack of opportunity for many is typically you are making a lateral move. So you're selling in a seller's market, and then you're buying in a seller's market. So it's fun to sell, not fun to buy. Or alternatively, you're selling in a really tough market and then you're buying in a really tough market, which is really, really nice. Right now, because of the different segments in the market and where the demand has been compressed to, you have the opportunity to sell into a seller's market and potentially buy into a balanced market. So what that means is you can sell and put a smile on your face because you're winning. And then whenever you go to buy, you're going to be buying into a market where you actually have a bit of control. You're going to have time, the ability to negotiate. You're going to have a bit of choice, less competition. It's a really nice time to be buying into that move up space. The other opportunity that I see right now is the investor opportunity. So a lot of people say, oh, that's over, the cash flow is gone and all this kind of stuff. And yes, cash flow is not what it was a short while ago. With these new mortgage interest rates, it's definitely changed things. But what has happened is we have more people looking to rent than we've seen in a long, long time. Every single landlord I know is full. Every single great tenant I know is having a tough time finding a spot if they are displaced. And there's no end in sight. We're really going to be behind for a long period of time. So where that opportunity lies for you is perhaps you want to sell a home and buy an investment property and another primary. Maybe you want to just buy an investment property or something like that and capitalize on this, because there's going to be a lot of things that are going to push that market upwards. And if you can buy in while there's no noise, you're going to get the best possible deal. And then you're going to be able to put that property into a very strong market. Everybody's situation is going to be a little bit different. If you want to have a conversation about the best path for you and your family, please let us know. We're never too busy to help. That's what we do. We want to coach you through this whole process and make sure that you make the best possible decisions so you get the best possible outcome. We'll see you next time.